guys. We're laughing because this is so stupid.
Yeah.
I've actually been here for a couple minutes. So guys, I'm at Vedder Holsters in Dora, Florida, right?
Mount Dora.
Mount Dora.
Yep.
Mount Dora. There's no mountains here.
It's just a little hilly.
Oh. Is it like considered to be hilly?
Yeah, for Florida.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just came from Clermont, which you said you had family in.
Yeah, Clermont, yeah.
You attended a course with us there a couple years ago, and I don't remember why I couldn't come see you. But since then you've moved, so it's better that I've showed up. I remember talking to you like 5 years ago. I ordered something from you. I think I broke something, and you
Talk to your dad too.
Yeah, you talked to my father too. Actually, my dad gave me the phone number. He's like, here, call them. They're good people. And then you were just working, family business, and now I've walked around and you've got lunchrooms and offices and
Right.
all kinds of stuff. How did you guys start this? What made you start this?
Kind of just by accident. Was like everyone else, had buying a holster from somebody else and just wasn't happy with it. So I was tinkering with it and said I can do it better.
Yeah.
And it just kind of grew from there. So.
What do you do here?
I am the organized implementer. So
Okay.
yeah.
I
She
really
keeps-
wish you would have said I run the place.
Yeah, no.
That's fair to say. I joke that I'd be selling holsters out the back of my truck on the side of the road for cash if it wasn't for her. So she's the brains and I'm the designer and the tinkerer and comes up with the ideas of holsters and makes it work, and she figures out how we can properly sell them, I guess. So
I think this is pretty cool. You guys are successful, and husband and wife work 8 feet from each other.
mm-hmm.
Very cool.
Yep.
Well, I'd like you to show me some of the building here.
Sure, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, let's take a look.
Let's do it.
Yep.
So you're pretty serious about this Constitution stuff. It's the first thing a person sees if they walk in to Vedder's headquarters, huh?
It's gotta be, it's all right.
You took an acting class in college?
I did. It's the only class I ever finished. Built this by
So you're not a college grad?
no. I always wanted to do my own business. Always kind of just was tinkering with different business ideas, and this is one of the ones that really stuck. And it's been really successful for us. And it's just all hard work, a lot of research, a lot of testing and evaluating basically our products, and just all trial and error.
So you don't have to have like $100,000 student loan debt to become a business owner?
And just a lot of hard work
Uh-huh.
and a lot of sleepless nights in the beginning.
Amen.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Mickey. What do you do here?
My name's Cameron. I'm the tool designer here at Vedder Holsters. What I do
Super
is
cool. What I'm looking at, I can't show you, is you've got like all kinds of schematical stuff going on.
yeah, this is what I'm working on right now. I'm making a Glock 17 to make a mold for the holsters that we make here. So
I'm looking at a computer screen. They got a whole three-dimensional smart guy.
Yeah.
Rendering of a pistol.
right, what this will be, this will turn into a mold in which the tool developer will make out of an aluminum cast.
Can I see that? The glue gun?
Yes, absolutely.
So you guys are not just taking glue guns that you're buying on Amazon and melting plastic over.
No, that would actually melt the model itself.
Okay.
So what we're doing is we're creating a aluminum cast of that instead. The Kydex will be wrapped around this and will be peeled off and then made into the holster.
This is our sewing room here. All of our belts are sewn right here by hand by Dora and Caitlin. They do a wonderful job for us here, sewing everyone, both in coyote brown and black options.
So this looks like she's done.
Almost done, yep.
Almost?
Yep.
Oh, we still got... What we gotta do?
We got the tips to cut off,
Okay.
and then stitch those, and then we kind of polish the edges there. So when you do use a hot knife to cut it, it's not as sharp, and it
I
just
see.
makes for a more comfortable everyday carry belt.
The female side is small enough to fit through belt loops, rather than having to take the whole belt apart. And we've done a video on this belt.
Right.
The belts, you start with raw.
Right, yeah, so we source the stiffest kind of nylon webbing we can find. It allows for a really rigid belt, perfect to carry the weight of your gun and holster. And then we double layer it, stitch it together with multiple rows of stitching that will increase the rigidity of it and just make it, like I said, a very good, stiff, everyday carry belt. Currently, just all of it's available through our website, and they can select their options that they want. We are adding combo packs actually this year. You can hear hard work selling away, but Yeah.
Can I show this one?
Yeah, absolutely. This is a new leather one we have that Nikki's wearing.
This is cool. It's got a polymer liner.
Right. It's a double layer of leather sewn together with a polymer core insert, and kind of gave it a dressy, classier look for those that want to conceal carry and not wear the more, as tactical some people call it, of the Cobra buckles. This one here has a satin brushed finish look buckle, nice and classy, and then black, and we'll be adding brown later this year as well.
I dig it. How many colors do you have?
We offer 84 different color options now. Camel pattern, solid, carbon fibers, you name it.
Wow. That's pretty intense. 84 different colors.
Right.
That's a lot to keep track of.
Yes.
I like black.
Yeah.
Holy smoke! Look at all.
FCE fan myself. It's a solid FCE.
Look at all of those. Wow. What's the most popular?
Well, black is pretty much the most popular, but a lot of our cryptic patterns are real popular at the moment. And,
Cryptic?
Carbon fiber as well.
So like this kind of stuff?
That's OD green carbon fiber right there, which is a popular one. Has a protective cover on it before you make it. So,
Cool.
yep. This is our bucking station here. Kind of noisy in our shop, it's hard to work, but all of the holsters get hand polished to have a nice smooth edge. Nothing sharp, nothing sticks into and carrying.
Check that out all the way around. It almost looks like glass. Yeah. It's that smooth, but not sharp. Totally easy.
Right.
That's cool.
Of course, it's all hooked up to our dust collection system that goes up through here into some giant HEPA filters that filter the air, so also have some safe working conditions as well.
Wow. I didn't. Yeah. That's some serious HEPA filters there. Wow. And it all collects in there, right?
Yes.
All the waste. How often do you guys got to empty that?
We empty it about once a week.
So after the holster is molded, which is a proprietary process that we can't film, they carefully trim them on a bandsaw, which, by the way, kids, is a very easy way to lose a finger, so you've got to be careful. So he's getting it close, and then these cats, using belt sanders and disc sanders, so they kind of rough it out.
Right.
And you've done all this stuff yourself for hours and hours and hours and hours.
Yeah.
Do they take turns, or does the guy that works one station, does he just stand?
Yeah, so we have the craftsmen that do all the cut, sand, and polish work, and then we have formers. So there'll be a team that just forms it. From that point, they'll grab the shell, and then they'll just go through the steps. And they'll take it from the beginning all the way to the very end, over to where it gets assembled, and then onto our quality control station for final fit check.
Let's check that out.
Yep, this way. We always try to be as efficient as possible, not sacrificing quality. So one thing we had done is we had a company make us a specific 5-head drill bit to drill our holes on our Lighttuck. As you guys know, the recessed area on our Lighttuck has 5 holes on it that allows you to adjust for the ride height. Well, this particular drill will drill all 5 at once. I can demonstrate here real quick.
Super cool.
Makes them all the exact right dimensions for our bracket that we use as well, that holds on our clip.
Very cool.
Cut, sand, and polish. It'll come this way back to quality control.
Oop, going this way. Off to quality control.
We'll stop by assembly first over here where they'll attach the appropriate size belt clip. If you have a claw attachment to your Lighttuck, any options you have that goes on it will be assembled over here. here.
Yeah.
We all assemble. So polish the holster and they clean it up. They'll come over here to assembly where it'll get the right size belt clip, whether you have a 1.5 or 1.75 inch belt. You can choose that option and that'll be put on there as well. Or if you have a claw attachment. And then from that point it comes over here to quality control. So once the product comes over to quality control, they will fit check it. We'll do a last minute check. Make sure the gun model is right, the color is right, and then most importantly, make sure it fits accurately. And if there is any type of adjustments that need to be made, they will hand you that here just to make sure it's dialed in to get the perfect fit before going out.
How many real firearms, actual firearms do you guys own?
Real firearms right now, we have about 70 of them. Our most popular models, it lets us really dial in the product to fit great. And then the rest that we don't, we have the blue guns for.
Just as an FYI, folks, all the firing pins are out of all of these guns.
Yes.
So they're all inoperable, so it's not like folks are sitting with actual guns.
Right.
Yeah. Just in case there's any of you nervous Nellies out there in video land. And the reason that that's important is a lot of companies that do this can't afford or don't have access to all these guns. I have friends that do this that'll call and say, hey, can I borrow your Springfield XDM to make a mold? Okay.
Right.
They don't have access to it. Or guys go buy blue guns to make the mold,
right.
which
the blue guns are 100% accurate. They have like a shrink rate when they make them. They're very, very close, but unless you know and you're able to compare a real gun next to a blue gun, you can know the difference. So if you're fit checking with a blue gun, it needs to almost fit loose. It has to have some wiggle to it because the blue guns are just a fraction smaller.
all right, so now we're in the machine shop.
Yep, machine shop. Right.
Not like the machine shop of yesteryear, now it's all computerized.
Right. Yeah, so all of our tools we make in-house. The process is not a quick fix. Some companies can do it faster, but it might not be as accurate. That's how it starts off. Raw block of aluminum there. So we'll take the actual weapon, the actual light attachment. They will design it in an AutoCAD program, get it to the right dimensions, and then of course scan it out for the CNC machine to cut it into the actual tool, which we will then form our holsters off. So the process is quite extensive.
This is expensive to make mistakes.
Yes, yeah it is. So hire the best guys and get it right the first time, hopefully.
Best guys.
Yeah. So, but yeah, that's it in a nutshell. They're currently cutting the Glock 19 for an X300U right now. We have light options coming available, which has been a big request. But like I've said, a lot goes into adding new gun models, so it takes some time.
It's not just, like we said, buy a blue gun, make a mold, because this ensures that you get much tighter tolerances that are repeatable each
Exactly.
time.
Better fit, so whether you buy a Glock 19 or a Smith & Wesson or something, the fit and feel will be the same across all models, while you won't get that blue guns and stuff like that.
Cool.
Yep.
Serious investment of resources here, which to me as a consumer says to me, like, they must be doing something right if they can afford to do this.
Right.
And you've been at it for 5 to 6 years. This is your
This will
seventh
be
year.
our 6th year. We started in 2012, so late October 2012. So yeah.
Very cool. So it's not, you've not been around forever, but
Right.
in this business, 6, 7 years of business is growing.
Right.
You're not shrinking. You're
Correct.
just telling me you guys should purchase more building space to expand, from the ginormous office you already have. So that's a good thing, man.
Right.
I shake your hand, but I'm slicked up.
It's all
We're
good.
doing it?
It's all good. Yeah. Thanks, Vicky. Yep.
Thank you. We see our customers as invited guests to a party, and we're the hosts. It's our job every day to make every important aspect of the customer experience a little bit better. You believe that?
Absolutely. Yeah, customer service is huge for us. We, without the ability to have face-to-face interaction, and a lot of our stuff's through our website, we really use every opportunity we can to try to wow the customer, and then most importantly, to stand behind what we do and what we offer. So it's basically kind of something we like to live by and instill in all of our customer service staff here as well.
Well, Jeff surely knew something about that.
Yep.
Yeah. I remember when Amazon started, people were like, Why would I want to buy a book online?
Exactly.
Yeah, now we all use it every day.
Yeah, a lot of reading on how some of the other companies have done it, and then we use that to kind of incorporate into our philosophy as well. Try to have a really fun work environment here for the staff. I think that culture experience that they have here flows over into their interactions with our customers as well. So
I dig it.